feelings. And you fucked up. Like everybody know, when it come to my niece, bitch, I go for your mama. And I mean it. And I ain't gonna think twice about it. I don't feel sorry. And I'm gonna say what the fuck I mean. And it is what it is. And bitch can take it how she feel. But it's one on that team you don't fuck with. And everybody know that has always been Christiana. And it's some more on there you don't fuck with. But you got my niece fucked up. And you know that. First, let's get into it. When you're filming, you be on a filming heist. You never know when they coming back and filming. You never know if you're going to get another season. You never know. So, while you off on break, the girls do gigs. Diana do gigs. Everybody do gigs. But Diana seems to be the only one excused to do her gigs because Diana's for self. As long as Diana can make her coins, she don't care about nobody else making any coins. But when it comes to the girls, it's not fair. You know, she can use the girl for publicity, but she don't want them to make money on their own. So, tonight's episode is some bullshit. My niece family stopped with Didi 4L after, I would say, probably the second or third season. That's when the family shit went out the door. The family, fuck family. It was all about money. I realized quick when people said money is the rule of all evil. Money will turn a motherfucker you think you love you to death against you, and that's what happened to our team. When money start getting involved and dancing dolls start blowing up, the team, that went out the door. It was all about making another episode. What was good? That's why you broke the 4 original DDPs up and you added other moms because you wanted that drama. Cause and bring your words, we were too friendly. Sorry, y'all. Hold on, my man calling me. Let me call him on the other phone. One second before he. Y'all hold up. Shit. Yeah, hold on. Babe, I'm on live, so you calling the phone. Because I'm calling you on this one. You keep calling that one. Okay, what's up? So don't get rowdy when you come in here because I'm on live. Okay. Anywho, moving forward. Yes. So, you know, I just feel like as my niece been with you, Christiana has been with Diana since she was 5 years old. 5. Christiana is one of the longest standing dancing dolls. I mean, we've never left and came back. All that shit you see on TV is bullshit. Going to Divas of Olive Branch, do you really think I would have went to the Divas of Olive Branch? I got paid to go to the Divas of Olive Branch. We got paid to do that. And we had a nice vacay and still got paid. So that's why. So we've never left the team. We never went to another team. I think the first episode they had me knock on Purple Diamond's door. I never went to another team. Christiana has only been on Dancing Dolls her whole fucking life. Never. You know, you do certain stuff because you think, okay, it's for the love of the team and it's for all of us. You know what I'm saying? And I'm the type of person, if I win, everybody around me win. And you know, you think everybody else feel that way, but people don't feel that way. Motherfucker be out for theyself and don't give a fuck. Diana made real nigga money off Jackson. Don't fuck with Jackson, period. She posts pictures of Jackson. She don't fuck with Jackson. She don't fuck with them girls. She don't talk to them girls. She don't deal with them, period. You made money and left. You ran to Atlanta because Of course, Atlanta think they gonna be on Bring It. Birmingham thought they was gonna be on Bring It. So yeah, your team deep as a motherfucker right now with the hopes of being on Bring It. Of course, you know what I'm saying? But truth, you getting over. Diana's a user. She's a manipulator. She gonna play the victim after this, that she always get hurt. Why the same person always get hurt? When you do wrong, wrong follow you. And she ain't even seen wrong yet. Because you did them kids wrong. And them four made you, but the whole Jackson really helped you make it. You know what I'm saying? You ain't do nothing for them children. She ain't do shit for them. My fucking niece daddy died on this team. Motherfucking niece daddy died. Diana didn't even get a card. Didn't even say sorry. Nothing. She was asking when Christian was coming back to practice. You know why? Because Brink was feeling this. She had to get her coins. That was the truth about that. You know. If y'all only knew the truth, y'all put this motherfucker on a pedestal and y'all always talking about, what she did for the kids. She didn't do a motherfucking thing for them children. What we did for them children. What we went through hell for them children. That motherfucker ain't did nothing but reap the benefits off them children. And every last one of them. And I won't speak on nobody's kids because I love the kids to death. And they just as much as a victim as I am. So, you know, period. She didn't do shit for them kids. She didn't do nothing for them kids. Nothing. Not at all. Nothing. The ones in college, you probably ain't never even brought them a fucking book. Nothing. You didn't do anything for them. You didn't put them in a position to win. You put yourself in a position to win. Yeah, one thing you say about Abby Lee, all her girls doing something amazing. That's the truth. Diana's, none. You know why? Because it's all about Diana and her brand. But truth be told, you do so much greater, bitch, you don't do shit. Bitch, ain't nothing under that umbrella belong to you. Bitch, you got a bunch of bills. You finally brought your ass a house, if you brought that. Finally. Other than that, bitch, you got a bunch of bills. You ain't no better than nobody else. You don't own damn dollhouse studio. Bitch, you pay rent just like I do on my studio. You've leased 1 million cars. Now, let's roll it back. You're very jealous of these kids. Everything these kids get, you want to get. I mean, you act like you fantasize with them. You know, I don't understand it, but my niece catch a lot of the drama, honestly, and my niece been catching a lot of drama since season 1 because of me. Because they so quick to, and it ain't because Christiana was never good enough. It was because they threw Christiana under the fire because they wanted me to clown. That's why. It ain't never been about Christiana. My niece been kicking ass since 5 years old. 5. Christiana left Baby Dance Dolls 8 years old. Ain't nobody done that and been successful. Successful. So they put her in a lot of bad situation and because of me. And as the time went on, I realized it was because of me. After this episode of Bring It, they needed Christiana so bad. Guess what's finna happen? Womp, 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 womp. After this episode is bullshit. That's why they ain't posted they got another season yet, because it's bullshit. You know, you need them kids to make money, bitch. You ain't smart enough to keep them on your team to get paid, bitch. Because that's what you should have did. You need me. Because ain't nobody gonna clown like I'm a clown, and you know that. Don't nobody else want to see that fairy tale made up shit, having mamas do dumb shit. I mean, you've been doing it, that's over. Bring it, you got to do something else by then. You know. I don't give a fuck. When you don't fuck with my niece. And when you wrong, you dead motherfucking wrong. And it's apparent on this live right now. I got so much respect for her because she did what a lot of us should have done. When you fuck over my child, you should have walked away. But some of us, we were so invested. We spent so many years and times with this bitch. It's hard to leave. Like, we weren't there for TV. We was there for the love of the team. I love that fucking team. Did I ever think fucking dancing, Bring It would happen with the dancing doll? Fuck no. I love that team. I love Diana, and we rolled for her when nobody else would ride for her. None of the parents fuck with you. None of them. No parents fuck with you. You have no friends. Nobody. You hang with gay men because you can't stand to be around a woman because women too strong for you. So you only fuck with people who want to use you for your brand and come up. You don't fuck with nobody around you. Bitch, your husband ain't even with you because he love you. So, bitch, sit your ass down. You can say what you want on my niece, but you can't touch the person that's blessed. My niece don't need Bring It. She gonna be all right without Bring It. You need it. What people fail to realize, you got more to lose than any of us because we already lost. We quit our jobs. We walked out. We left everything for this shit. And we ain't got shit in return. We all back working a 9 to 5. So we ain't got nothing to lose. I have nothing to lose. Nothing at all. I wish I could ask somebody, y'all, because I want to talk to somebody. I want somebody to ask me some questions. I want them to know how I feel. Like, you know, come on. It's a gimmick. I love it. If y'all could talk to them children and them children tell y'all the real, some of y'all would cry. Because y'all worship this motherfucker and that's a dog. That's bitch a dog, a dirty dog. And that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? Low down to the core. But I know how you know, I think she envied them kids so much because she never really had nobody to love her like we love our kids. So she don't know what that felt like. You know what I'm saying? Because if your mama didn't give you that love, you don't know how it feels. So she do shit like tonight. She probably don't see nothing wrong with what she said about my niece. But bitch, you dead wrong. And you ain't gonna never speak up on that one again. Cause bitch, I'm gonna make you cry every time. Every time. I don't give a fuck about you sending me no whack ass apology message and trying to fix it. Bitch, you know not to fuck with Christiana. You know that's where you fucked up at. And it is what it is. I'm gonna learn how to fix this shit so people can ask me questions so I can answer this shit. Y'all start answering me questions in the comments so I can respond to some of them. We stayed on the team because my niece liked to dance. And after a while dealing with somebody bullshit, you become numb to the bullshit. Like some shit don't affect you because you expect it now. You know what I'm saying? And honestly, Diana has never fucked over my niece bad on camera because she knows. She ain't never fucked with her like that. See, motherfuckers getting them interviews. See, them interviews will get a bitch slapped. A motherfucker getting them interviews and a bitch get real bold. Real bold. But outside them interview, bitch ain't gonna pardon her lips. Bitch ain't gonna say none of that shit standing in your face. Period. I mean, Christiana don't care. Like, you know, it was a point you couldn't tell these kids nothing bad about Diana. And you have to let them see for yourself because, you know, they really thought that she had some love for them. But they realized she don't mean them no good. And like my niece. My niece been dancing on this team since, what, first grade? My niece in 11th grade. So all this time, what it look like you jumping to another team? So you like, okay, I'm going to ride the bullshit out because it's almost over. Them kids count down to graduation because they been here their whole fucking life. Why start over? You been here your whole fucking life. So it's hard to jump from one team to the next team. You know what I'm saying? Like, so that's why I stayed. Oh, we done with Bring It. Bring It's done. I've been done with Bring It. Do I regret bringing on Bring It? Yes. Yes. Oh, Tyrus wasn't nothing about that edit. That was facts. You said that. Yeah, we both know how that edit was edited, but wasn't nothing about that edit. That was real. And I could have took the other shit because, you know, I know some shit for TV, but talking about disloyal and family don't walk out on family, that no, we ain't going to do that. We ain't going to do that, especially when you walked out on them before anybody else walked out on them. Yeah, we know Bring It edit. We know Bring It flip shit, but we also know a motherfucker tell it. And then it's the thing about it. If you don't give Bring It nothing to edit, they can't edit it. It's been times I done walked out of interviews because I ain't say what they wanted me to say. So if you don't give them nothing to edit, they can't edit it. And that's the real tea. So you said that. You said that. And you felt that. But you ain't tell them that, bitch. I walked out too. I left them and said, fuck them. And said, I don't like them. They get on my nerve. Y'all make me sick. I don't want to be around y'all. Yeah, that's what she said. Yeah, that's the tea. The real tea. Them tears, y'all see them crying? That's what they edit. The part they did show when the bitch was talking to him like a dog. It's been people work on the camera crew. Production hates Diana. Let's just say that. So it's been people work on the camera crew like, I can't believe she said that. So them tears them kids crying was for the mean shit she said. Not for that other bullshit. Them children don't give a fuck about performing or not. Them children love a fucking break. They don't give a damn. They crying because the shit they edited. Because if they know what they would have played, what she really said, the world would hate her. And I bet everything I got on that. Now that's the tea about the edit. And you right, parents should allow it. We shouldn't. We all take the L for them. We all do. We taking them L's. And we apologize and we didn't know. We didn't know. So we take them L's. I take it. And some of y'all need to have common sense. Some shit you see on TV at some point in time shouldn't even make sense no more. Now, out of all the girls on the team that done quit and left, why my niece every season, for them to have a good episode, she got to quit and leave, quit and leave, quit and leave. Some shit used to say stage by now. Some shit used to say it's stage. It's fake. Like, come on now. Somebody got some college degrees. Mama blessed us with a little sense. Use it. Use it. Because some shit is becoming repertory and becoming very dumb. Repetitious and very dumb. Hey, Miss Celeste. I see I got parents on here. They vouching because they know. They know. So is this going to affect Chrissy now with the team? No, it's not gonna affect Christiana. Dana Jackson don't do shit anyway. She don't let them perform. They do some fucking parades and that's every blue moon. So how it's gonna affect a team that don't even do shit? They don't do shit now. So why would it affect? It's not gonna affect. They ain't performing. They ain't making no noise. Then again, use common sense. So how a child that can quit and come back, be captain of a team? Let's keep in mind, I ain't gonna call nobody name, but the other captain, she finna graduate. So won't nobody be there with Christiana. So why would you make this child you say so unloyal, who don't walk out on family, captain? And not just captain, a captain who never wanted to be a captain. Let's put that out there. Let's put that out there. Never wanted it at all. Period. Was forced to take the captain's position. Forced. Never wanted it. She just wanted to dance. Yes. they made it seem like my niece wanted captain because Christiana is one of the main characters on the show. You can't, you have, okay, y'all know it's a cast, right? Y'all know it's a cast, then you have the other people. The cast have to be relevant. You got to make the cast relevant because people have fan favorites. People have people they like to see. She's So Happy wants to be one of them. So you have to do that for dumbass people that asking these stupid ass questions on live to watch it. No, my niece actions didn't show that. The girls don't beef it out. The girls love each other. They go through the same drama. They done been through the same drama. And you damn right. Fuck surviving R. Kelly. Let's survive in the life of the dog because this shit was horrible. Horrible. As a director myself, it's sad how she did Jackson. I seen how she could have posted Alabama flag. And that's why nobody in Jackson fuck with her. Diana had to leave and go to, and don't get me wrong, nobody in Birmingham barely fuck with her because she done burnt them people in Birmingham. So she jumped from Jackson. She jumped from Jackson. She burnt Jackson. She went to Birmingham. She burnt them. And she fucking over Atlanta now. The bitch is toxic. But see, them parents there and they kids there, they there for the same reason. And they ain't there before the same reason we there. Because we was there, we would be able before bring it. They are there in hopes to see their kids on that TV screen. Ain't nobody on that team for the love of Didi Fowell. They are there for what may happen for their child. And you know what? I completely understand it. Because as parents, you do what you think is best for your child until the shit hits you in your face. So the people, they there because they want to be on Bring It. They want to be the next stars. And she's promised them to be the next stars. I'm telling you what I know. But that ain't going to happen. Approve it, Brandon. You better seal and sign this message, baby. Yeah, so come on. I don't have no reason to lie. I live this shit in real life. In real life. The shit that we went through, I wouldn't put on my worst enemy. I promise you. I wouldn't. And that's part of the reason I left, because out of all the originals, I the one had the longest. Everybody was graduating. Everybody was going out there. Like, I couldn't deal with that shit no more. Because I was going to punch 2 or 3 bitches in the face. And I really was going to get kicked off. And I just wasn't down for that shit no more. Don't nobody want unnecessary drama in their life every day. That shit ain't healthy. And it wasn't healthy. And they suckered my sister into it. She really didn't want to do it. She never wanted to do it. So it is what it is. But at the same time, family is family. Somebody said, what happened to Tori? Diana uses people and she throws them away. She used them for her benefit and she throws them away. Once she use you and get what she need from you, she move on to the next project. That's how she do. Man, I ain't never seen somebody in my life can sell a story so good and people believe it. Man, you make people pack up and move their fucking home. Bitch, you in the wrong business. Oh, I'm telling everything. You cross one of the wrong ones because you did wrong. Like, people want to talk about editing. we all know how editing go. If you don't want to bring it to put you in a bad situation, you're going to be quiet. You're going to be like, I ain't going to answer that question. Because I've said that a lot of times. Oh, I ain't going to say that. I ain't going to say that. Bringing can't make you say nothing that you didn't want to say anyway. And I know what you do. So if you said that, that's how you felt. Yeah, we know how it goes. People want to blame shit on editing. They want editing. That was real life. You did that to seal you a deal because your episodes this seasons were womp, womp, womp. You could bring a boy in there. You could bring a dog in there, bitch. You could talk about you looking like a horse. You could do whatever you want on that bitch. It ain't gonna do nothing because the rest of the episodes are womp, womp, womp. You probably played this one too early. You should have held it a little longer. All my cheering out here. They cheering crazy. Okay, Jalen. These children on here know I got dancing dolls. They know. No, they tried to make a fool. But your mama said they had y'all fucked up in real life. Bringer try to make a fool out of everybody. That's what they do. And people let Bringer make a fool out of them to be on TV. But motherfucker could never make a fool out of me because I wasn't going. I wasn't going at all. Bring it make fool out of people who let them make a fool out of them. But you won't make a fool out of me. One thing about me, I ain't never been fake. I ain't never been scripted. And a motherfucker ain't never told me what to say. I'ma say how I feel and I'ma mean what I say. And I'ma stand up for everything I say. And I'ma stand on it. Jalen is crazy. And again, there go that parent again. Sylvia ain't never told in her face by respect her. Because that day Bringer tried to play her child. She did what a parent should have done. She did what some of us should have did a long time ago. You had my child fucked up. Because at the end of the day, don't nobody need... These people make all these money off these girls. These folks didn't do shit for these children. Now, shit, but got them some followers on Instagram, social media. That's all they got. You better believe for self. For self. Don't give a fuck. Don't give a fuck. You know, like I said, some of us was tied in. We had spun too long. We were like, shit, just ride it out. You know what I'm saying? People don't understand. Y'all, if y'all knew the tears these kids then cried, the tears, real tears. And I know I'm mad at this. If y'all knew the tears these kids then cried because their feelings was hurt because you think somebody love you and you love them and they'll do you like that. But these children had to learn for themselves. And they learn quick. So many tears, Tanisha. So many tears. These people never understand. Y'all will never understand what them children went through. Okay, Dana. Our girls got nothing. Not even money for school. Didn't get nothing. Didn't get nothing. Not a book. Not, I'm going to pay for a book for you. I'm going to pay for your first semester. These kids got nothing. These kids made y'all buku money and y'all left them with nothing. Nothing. In all caps. Period. Big old silly dot. Because we the dot. You left these children with nothing. What you did was fuck up their grades. That's what you did. You fucked up a lot of their grades because a lot of them was honor roll students. You fucked up their grades for fucking with a lot of filming late at night. That's what you did. That's what you did. You fucked with their education and you didn't give a fuck. You didn't give a fuck. You made the money, they made the money. It was fuck the cheering. Nothing. Them children parents had to make a way. And we realized it in the end. I'm telling y'all, you get caught up in the shit so fast, you don't even realize how a motherfucker playing you until you like, damn, did I let a motherfucker play me like that? Did I really do that? Yeah, we all quit our jobs. Me, Tina, Dana, Mimi, we quit our jobs for this shit. We left everything we know and we was like, we gonna figure this shit out. Cause you think this your family. You say this, you think this family. And you said family ain't gonna do this. You said family ain't gonna do this. And you like, shit, we gonna do it and we never did it for us. I'm gonna say this about the parents. We never did it for us. We was like, okay, what is gonna do for our child? So I understand Birmingham in Atlanta. Because you think this gonna be for your child. You was like, oh, I'm gonna take an L. I'm gonna take an L for my child. I'm gonna go without for my child. So you walked away. We walked away from everything. It's times we didn't know how we was gonna pay bills. Brinket would go months without paying us. We said, but you know what? We did it for them children. We made a way. See, Brinket wanted y'all to think we hate each other. We don't hate each other at all. Period. Never. They wanted that. We don't hate each other at all. At all. These kids suffer. All these kids on that, and them girls on that battle squad, oh, they suffered if didn't nobody else suffer. Ain't no way all of them ain't in a brand new fucking BMW. They should be. Because what they sacrificed for Bring It, that battle, them battle squad girls. And I ain't even blaming Lifetime bringing Diana. Because if you supposed to be the head of the family, you the head of the family. You supposed to made a way. You supposed to took care of them. You ain't give a fuck. Long as you won. Now it's the umbrella. This is what's under the umbrella. You ain't see none of that umbrella for the children. Ain't nothing under that umbrella for the children. Everything under that bitch for you. You. You know how you give these children? You know what Dinah get them? You get them a motherfucking $40 poster from fucking Sam's. That's what you get them. That costs you nothing. Yeah, sure fuck. Yep, Battle Squad, they sacrifice everything. Brandon said bankrupt ass brand. It ain't bankrupt brand because, yeah, it probably be because she don't own none of that bitch. Nothing. Man, this lady so low down. You know what she told Jackson? She gonna take the floors up in the studio that Lifetime paid for. Now, you a dog. You a dog. To tell the truth, you gonna pull the floor up. You a dog. You better be careful before you buy them tickets for them tour. You better make sure somebody on that tour you want to see. That's what you better do, because it might be a lot of new faces that you ain't never even heard of. Yeah, pull the floor up. The floor, she didn't even pay for the floor. Y'all remember when Bring It came on? We had them fucking regular ass floor. That motherfucker told the children she gonna pull the floor up. Jackson now. That's what she told Jackson. The motherfuckers who help you get the floor, you gonna pull the floor up on the children. Where the fuck you gonna take the floor? That's what I wanna know. That's a dog move. Oh, this is very serious. This serious is a heart attack. You can believe in every word I'm saying like you believe in God, because I don't owe you no lie. Y'all know I'm country. Oh, don't worry. Jackson probably closed down in 3.2. It's already on the verge of being closed down. Don't worry. It's going to be closed down, so you won't even see Jackson again. Only reason she keeping Jackson open because she don't want the fans to dog her. She would been to close Jackson down if she didn't want y'all to talk about it. But she know if she closed Jackson down, y'all gonna see she used the keys to get where she at and left them. So that's the only reason Jackson is open, because she don't want y'all to dog her. That's why Jackson open. Now she don't want the team no. She ain't got the team now. She ain't got the team now. FaceTime and them ain't having a team. FaceTime and you there. FaceTime and you having a team. What performance you been at? You doing that for you. I guess the children money going on photo shoots, because that's all the fuck I did. Like, bitch, how many pictures do you have to take to realize you're oogly? Like, damn. Fucking with these children, trying to turn these children against each other. Like, you low down on it for that. But she ain't never had no friends, so that's not surprising that she'll turn children against each other. Oh, reality TV don't show reality. Oh, this very serious. This serious is a heart attack. You can believe in every word I'm saying like you believe in God, because I don't owe you no lie. Y'all know I'm country. Oh, don't worry. Jackson probably closed down in 3.2. It's already on the verge of being closed down. Don't worry. It's going to be closed down. So you won't even see Jackson again. Only reason she keeping Jackson open because she don't want the fans to dog her. She would been to close Jackson down if she didn't want y'all to dog her. She would been to close Jackson down if she didn't want y'all to talk about it. But she know if she closed Jackson down, y'all gonna see she used the keys to get where she at and left them. So that's the only reason Jackson is open, because she don't want y'all to dog her. That's why Jackson open. Now she don't want the team no. She ain't got the team now. She ain't got the team now. FaceTime and them ain't having a team. FaceTime and you there. FaceTime and you having a team. What performance you been at? You doing that for you. I guess the children money going on photo shoots, because that's all the fuck I did. Like, bitch, how many pictures do you have to take to realize you're oogly? Like, damn. like I said, y'all, we never thought this bringing shit was for real. We never thought nothing big was gonna come out of it. So we went in like some fools. Keep in mind, we was regular working black women. We was like, oh, this shit ain't gonna happen. Keep in mind, we filmed the pilot year, like 2 or 3 years before that, and nothing happened. So when Bring It happened, we never thought it was gonna get real. And y'all, the shit took off so fast. It took off so fast and it had no brakes. They told us, and oh, this very serious. This serious is a heart attack. You can believe in every word I'm saying it like you believe in God, because I don't owe you no lie. Y'all know I'm country. Oh, don't worry. Jackson probably closed down in 3.2. It's already on the verge of being closed down. Don't worry. It's going to be closed down. So you won't even see Jackson again. Only reason she keeping Jackson open because she don't want the fans to dog her. She would have been to close Jackson down if she didn't want y'all to talk about it. But she know if she closed Jackson down, y'all going to see she used the keys to get where she at and left them. So that's the only reason Jackson is open, because she don't want y'all to dog her. That's why Jackson open. Now she don't want the team no more. She ain't got the team now. She ain't got the team now. FaceTime and them ain't having a team. FaceTime and you there. FaceTime and you having a team. What performance you been at? You doing that for you. I guess the children money going on photo shoots, because that's all the fuck I did. Like, bitch, how many pictures do you have to take to realize you're oogly? Like, damn. Fucking with these children, trying to turn these children against each other. Like, you low down on it for that. But she ain't never had no friends, so that's not surprising that she'll turn children against each other. Oh, reality TV don't show reality. They don't want reality. See, they had reality in the beginning when they first got us. Like, season 1 and season 2, that was reality. That was reality. But, you know, they told us, and old parents can vouch for me, we was too friendly. We was too much of friends. So they brought parents in there to make it crazy. I'm so mad right now. I wish me and Tawanza was friends. I had add her to this shit, so she could tell you. Yeah, that's why season 1 and 2 was raw, because it was real. You got real and uncut. After that, all that shit was, I'm going to put you right here so this can happen. I'm going to put you right there so this can happen. Man, that shit fake and flaw. Fake and flaw. Oh no, the baby, they didn't. You right. After all we did, nobody gave these children shit. Nobody gave these children shit. They might send them a whack ass fruit basket. They love fruit baskets. They send a lot of those. They might get a fruit basket, but they gave these children shit. And people can say what they want to, but let's be honest. The girls and the mamas made the show. And you know, you so quick to say who you don't need, but you needed us. Oh, I don't need, you know, people think they did that shit on their own. You didn't do that shit on your own. Nobody wants to see your washed up ass. You didn't do that on your own. If it weren't for them kids, people hated you. People still hate you. If people have ever met you in real life, they're going to say you rude and ignorant and you stupid. Fuck that TV they making when you talking. Oh, the love of the girls and what I do for my girls. Bitch, you don't do nothing for them girls. So, no. People fell in love with the girls and the they might send them a whack ass fruit basket. They love fruit baskets. They send a lot of those. They might get a fruit basket, but that not a gay these cheering shit. And people can say what they want to, but let's be honest. The girls and the mamas made the show. And you know, you so quick to say who you don't need, but you needed us. Oh, I don't need, you know, people think they did that shit on their own. You didn't do that shit on your own. Nobody wants to see your washed up ass. You didn't do that on your own. If it weren't for them kids, people hated you. People still hate you. If people have ever met you in real life, they're going to say you rude and ignorant and you stupid. Fuck that TV they making when you talking. Oh, the love of the girls and what I do for my girls. Bitch, you don't do nothing for them girls. So, no. People fell in love with the girls and the mamas, and that's real. If it weren't for the girls and the mamas, nobody would have watched Bring It. Nobody. Nobody want to see you spitting everywhere. Like I said, y'all, we never thought this Bring It shit was for real. We never thought nothing big was going to come out of it. So we went in like some fools. Keep in mind, we was regular working black women. We was like, oh, this shit ain't gonna happen. Keep in mind, we filmed the pilot year, like 2 or 3 years before that, and nothing happened. So when Bring It happened, we never thought it was gonna get real. And y'all, the shit took off so fast. It took off so fast and it had no brakes. It took us before you know it. Then shit, you know, it's being black people, we don't read the fine print. Shit was too late. The signature was on the paperwork. We were locked in. We didn't know no better. Because we never thought that the whole world would love us. We went in like some fools. And as everybody know, once you sign your name, it's over. These children killing me. I got alumni dancing dolls on here. These children know. Yeah, it was. This TV shit broke us apart. It did this to us. Before that, we was a family. I ain't gonna lie. Like, everything I went through my family. Like, shit, we was all we had. I never forget Will. That's when McDonald's used to sell double cheeseburger. We'll pull up and buy a double chicken and fry to feed the whole team. We was all we had. But that bringing shit, that's what I'm telling y'all. People say what people won't do for Instagram followers and to be on TV. A motherfucker sell their soul for this. They'll sell their soul. Motherfucker go against their mama for Bring It. Not just Bring It. TV period. Motherfucker go against their mama. Oh, see, y'all know Coach D. I don't know her. You know, before camera, you know, you was just like us trying to make it. And it's crazy. because now I'm this big bad bitch. But bitch, before bringing you was robbing us out of uniforms, telling us we need uniforms we ain't even need. I had uniforms they never even wore. Bitch, we was paying your bills. It wasn't no Louis Vuitton, Gucci this, bundles. Bitch, you wore that thin ass hair, that thin ass wrap. Your favorite shorts was them khaki brown shorts and them fucking Nikes with the fucking pump in it. Whatever them is. You want that bitch. Stop acting like you that bitch. Because you're not her. You're being something that you're totally not. You're being a copycat. You're trying to copycat your friend. That's who you being. Because she's nothing but a copycat. Not even about a rap. No. Motherfucker get money. Motherfucker just, oh, well, I'm that girl now. Shit, some stuff new teeth and titties can't fix.